I've stayed with Sephora for 12 years because of the people and the culture and really just what the company does for its employees. It's more than just a retailer. I am very proud to be able to be a part of. I'm Katie. I'm a training store director and a field leader for Sephora Prism, which is a group for LGBTQIA plus employees and allies. As an ally, I'm able to support the group. My passion for volunteering started way before high school age, when I was able to volunteer at my nursing homes where my grandparents were living at the time and really be able to build connections, getting to work with different students with disabilities, and that's where I found one of my passions. I really think Sephora really hit home as more than just a company when I was able to get exposure to the Sephora Stands program and the gift of time and the volunteer match. Sephora Stands is an organization within Sephora that supports our employees in need, and they also give us the options to donate to different charities as well as match our donations, which is an incredible way to give back to the community. My district has been able to coordinate the 6 stores in Orlando to get out into the field and have our beauty advisors host over 11 volunteer events, raise almost $5,000, and log almost over 2,000 volunteer hours. I'm just really proud that Sephora is able to build such diverse teams. We give everyone a chance. They give us the tools to hire diverse and inclusive beauty advisors and how to continue to develop all of our beauty advisors to make sure that we are representing any client that walks through the door, whether it's sexuality, religion, race, or gender. And that's truly aligns with our We Belong manifesto and really creates a healthy work environment. And that's something I'm really proud of.